In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to speed up a slow TradingView platform. If you've been experiencing lag or sluggish performance while working with TradingView, you're not alone. Many users encounter this issue, but the good news is that there are straightforward steps you can take to enhance your user experience. Let's start with some browser-based solutions. First and foremost, consider reloading the page. Sometimes a simple refresh is all it takes to get things back on track. Reloading the page can often resolve temporary glitches or minor issues that may have cropped up during your session. Next, try restarting your browser altogether. You'd be surprised at how much a quick restart can do. It allows the browser to clear any hiccups it may have picked up along the way and starts afresh. Since more open tabs mean more resources consumed, make it a point to close any unnecessary ones. This simple action can free up memory and boost browser performance. Extensions in your browser can also be troublemakers. Some extensions interfere with websites, including TradingView. So try disabling them or test TradingView in incognito or private mode to see if that resolves your issue. And if all else fails, trying a different browser might just do the trick. Switching can help determine if the problems are specific to your current browser. Now, let's discuss TradingView desktop app-specific solutions. Start by ensuring you're running the latest version of the TradingView desktop app. Developers constantly work to improve app performance, and updates usually come with these improvements. Another key step is to clear the app's cache. Doing this in the app's settings can help resolve issues stemming from corrupted files. You might also want to toggle off hardware acceleration within the settings. While hardware acceleration can be helpful, it sometimes contributes to performance problems. Next, focus on chart and indicator-specific fixes. If you suspect your indicators or drawings might be slowing things down, try removing them one by one. Re-adding them can help pinpoint any specific script or visual element causing the issue. For those of you who use custom Pine scripts, take a close look at them. Poor loop designs, redundant calculations, or too many data requests can lead to slowdowns. Finally, let's not forget system and network solutions. Updating your operating system and drivers keeps your computer in peak performance mode, which can directly affect how smoothly you run applications like TradingView. And since a slow internet connection can be an invisible culprit, running a speed test can be enlightening. Should you notice any connectivity issues, trying a different network, such as a mobile hotspot, might be the solution you need. There you have it. By following these steps, you should experience a noticeable improvement in TradingView's performance. As always, if you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.